Everyone thinks meal prepping takes your entire Sunday away, but what if I told you the people doing it wrong are actually working 3 times harder than they need to? The average busy person in 2026 spends 6 hours a week just deciding what to eat. 6 hours! That's a full workday wasted on a problem that has already been solved. By the end of this video, you will never think about food the same way again. The real guide to meal prep doesn't start in the kitchen. It starts with understanding why you keep failing at it. Her name was Sarah, single mom, 2 kids, full-time job, living in Chicago. And in 2019, she had completely given up on eating healthy. At that time, the meal prep industry was exploding billions of dollars in cookbooks, containers, YouTube tutorials. But Sarah was still eating takeout 5 nights a week, and she couldn't figure out why nothing was working for her. But what makes Sarah's story interesting is what she discovered by accident. She wasn't failing because she lacked discipline. She was failing because every meal prep system she tried was designed for someone with free time. Most meal prep advice online is created by people who work from home, have no kids, and prep food as a hobby. That's not most people. Most people have 45 minutes on a Sunday night, a refrigerator with random ingredients, and 0 energy left after a full week of work. This wasn't a discipline problem. This was a design problem. And once Sarah understood that, everything changed. But there was still one problem she hadn't solved yet. And it's the same problem that kills every meal prep attempt in week 2. Wait, before I get into the actual system, there's one thing about meal prep that nobody tells you up front. And once you hear it, you'll understand why every method you've tried before was guaranteed to fail. It has nothing to do with recipes, nothing to do with containers, and nothing to do with how much time you have. Stay with me, because this next part is where the real guide begins. The real reason meal prep fails is decision fatigue. By Sunday evening, your brain has already made thousands of decisions that week. What to wear, what to say in that email, how to handle that meeting, and then you're supposed to stand in a kitchen and creatively plan 21 meals for the week ahead. It doesn't work. Your brain refuses, so you close the fridge, order pizza, and feel guilty about it. This is exactly what Sarah figured out. She stopped trying to meal prep everything. Instead, she built what she called the anchor meal system. Here's exactly how it works. You pick just 3 anchor meals for the week. Not 21, not 14, just 3. 1 protein base, 1 grain base, 1 vegetable base. And every meal that week is just a different combination of those 3 things. Monday, rice bowl with chicken and roasted broccoli. Tuesday, chicken wrap with the same broccoli inside. Wednesday, chicken soup using the same grain and vegetables. Same ingredients, completely different meals. 0 decision fatigue. Sarah went from spending 6 hours a week thinking about food to 90 minutes of prep on Sunday and eating better than she ever had. But what nobody knew yet was how simple the actual prep process really was. Everything changed when researchers at Cornell University published a study that nobody in the fitness industry wanted to talk about. They found that people who prepped elaborate, perfectly portioned, Instagram-worthy meals actually quit within 3 weeks more consistently than people who prepped simple, boring, repetitive food. Nobody expected that. The more beautiful and complicated the system, the faster people abandoned it. Because beautiful systems create pressure, and pressure creates guilt, and guilt makes you quit. This is how boring became the secret weapon. This is how simplicity became the entire strategy. The people winning at meal prep in 2026 are not the ones with the aesthetic containers and color-coded labels. They are the ones eating the same 3 things rotated week after week without guilt and without stress. And that's how the entire meal prep industry got it completely backwards. They sold you complexity when you needed simplicity. They sold you variety when you needed repetition. They sold you a lifestyle when you just needed a system. Here is your complete 2026 meal prep system in 4 steps. Step 1, pick your 3 anchors on Friday. 1 protein, 1 grain, 1 vegetable. Step 2, shop for exactly those items on Saturday. Nothing extra. Step 3, 90 minutes on Sunday. Batch cook all 3. Store separately. Step 4, combine differently every day. Never cook again until next Sunday. That's it. No app. No special containers. No 47-step routine. Just 3 ingredients. Rotated every week. Sarah is still doing this 5 years later. Her kids do it now too. Which makes you wonder, how many hours of your life have you already spent stressed about food that could have been this simple? If you made it this far, you now understand meal prep better than 90% of people who have been trying and failing at it for years. The system works. The Anchor method works. The only thing left is to actually try it this Sunday. And if you want to go even deeper next video, I'm breaking down the exact 90-minute Sunday prep routine. Every timer, every pan, every storage method, minute by minute. That video is even more practical than this one. Subscribe so you don't miss it.